Hey guys, if you're just getting this iPhone, this is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. The default apps that come installed already on your phone will be these right here, okay, including these utilities right here. But basically that's it. Right now, if you guys haven't used an iPhone before, iMovie, obviously that's just to edit movies. Pages would be like Microsoft Word. Right here you guys will also see Numbers, which is kind of like Excel, and then we have Keynote, which is kind of like PowerPoint. And then we have GarageBand to edit audio, create audio. Anyways, there's a lot of apps that come pre-built, but everything like social media, you will have to download from right here, your app store, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's all you guys get pre-built once it's brand new with your iPhone 11 Pro Max. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.